Hello, this is how you install the software for the photo scanner. Open a web browser and go to plustech.com/us or just plustech.com, and it will add the /us when you get there. Go over to the support and download menu. Pick drivers and downloads. The screen will come up. It asking you to choose your model. So we're going to choose the ePhoto option, and then there'll only be one option under here, which is the Z300. Click the search button. You'll see this little down arrow button. Click on that. If you're on Windows, you can download this to install the Windows software, or if you're on a Mac, you can download this one over here to install the software there. Once you've got it installed, open it up, and then we'll go from there.